Okay guys, let's solve the mini game today. Today is July 22 guys. So you only have 30 seconds to solve this. I advise you to watch the video 5 times so that you have an idea to quickly solve the puzzle Kindle. Okay, so let's start. You only have 30 seconds guys, but I think I can solve this within 15 to 20 seconds. So click the mini game. Okay, click play. Okay, the first is this, move that, then go, and move. Okay, so I told you only 15 seconds guys. So as of today I have 3 keys right now. So let remind you again that you need also to buy skin. Click here, buy skin. Then as of today I purchased Apollo that is worth 200 million coins guys. This is my default level Lord. So as of now I have 2 skin, so I can buy everything here that I want. So this is the biggest this is the very expensive skin YZ 500 million coin. Then this is the lowest skin Marta 2.5 million coins. Okay, this is an only update guys. Thank you.